Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be looking at figurative expressions in-depthly. Now, in English language, words are used in two senses, figuratively and literally. Now, what do we mean by figurative and literal? When words are used in their ordinary form, we say they are used in their literal form. While when words are used in another form other than we know them to be ordinarily, then we say they have been used figuratively. Therefore, figurative expressions are simply expressions whose meanings are not the ordinary meanings we know them to be. So the words that are used cannot be interpreted based on the normal meanings that we attribute to them. Now, let's look at some examples of figurative expressions that we know. Now, number 1, we have simile. 2, metaphor. 3, hyperbole. 4, personification. 5, paradox. 6, euphemism. 7, onomatopoeia. 8, apostrophe. 9, pun. 10, synecdoche. 11, metonymy, and so on and so forth. Now, let's look at these figurative expressions one after the other. Number 1, simile. Now, what is a simile? A simile is a figurative expression that uses like and as, or at times as and as, to draw a comparison between one thing and another. For instance, I can say Chinwe ran like a gazelle. Now, the usage of like there makes that expression a similetic one, simply because I compare Chinwe to a gazelle. Now, I can also say Bode is as bold as a lion. Now, I'm comparing Bode and the lion, obviously trying to give an attribute of a lion that we all know, which is boldness, to that or to Bode as a person. So meaning Bode is a bold person. So simile are easy to identify because of the use of expressions, like I said earlier, of as, like, and as, and as. Moving on to number 2, metaphor. A metaphor is an advanced form of the simile, only that in this case, it does not make use of as and like and as and as. It goes direct to say one thing is another. So instead of saying Bode is like a lion, I could just say Bode is a lion. Now, meaning that Bode is intimidating, is courageous, is strong, and bold. So it is a direct comparison between two things, giving the attribute of one directly to the other. Also, I can say Kunle is a rock. Now, calling Kunle a rock means Kunle is also very strong. So metaphors can be differentiated from similes based on the use of as and like that similes use. Now, number 3, we have hyperbole. Now, what is an hyperbole? An hyperbole is simply a figurative expression that uses excessive exaggeration, though not to deceive. Now, remember, excessive exaggeration, though not with the intention to deceive. Now, the usage of the excessive exaggeration is just to be able to tell that whatever it is that is being said is to be emphasized. So, if I say Tola ate a mountain of fufu, I am only trying to tell you how much of food that Tola ate.